The keto diet can slim both your waistline and your wallet. Steak, a key part, $30 for 2 people, even cooked at home. Salad bar, $5 to $10 a night. Virgin olive oil, $10 a small bottle, which you can go through in a week. We're not debating whether the diet works. This is a money segment. But the site perfectketo.com says you can do it on a budget. It says buy meat in bulk and freeze it. Stick to cheap veggies like lettuce, broccoli, and spinach. And buy chicken and eggs, a lot cheaper than steak. And doctors say try canola oil, similar to olive, but 1/4 the cost. But from the Doesn't That Stink file, the high cost of some keto supplements. Some promise they'll automatically burn your fat for fuel. Others say they will suppress your appetite without any special food. But they can cost $60 a bottle, which might have you saying, doesn't that stink? Read reviews, or better yet, talk to your doctor before making supplements the main part of your diet.
Bottom line, the keto diet, like the Atkins, can work for you. But if you're relying only on prepared meals, it can be very expensive, so keep that in mind so you don't waste your money.